Kartallar Door. Established in 1975 in the province of Kastamonu, Turkey, as a small workshop for the production of custom-made doors, has developed rapidly due to its high-quality products and the ability to quickly respond to customer demands. In 1997, in order to enter the international market, the company had opened an office as a shipping point in Antalya, conducted domestic and foreign markets analysis, and formed an own corporate structure. By 2020, the company owns an open area of 7,000 square meters, an indoor area of 5,000 square meters, and a total production facility of 12,000 square meters, automatic and semi-automatic equipment, modern CNC machines, as well as professional technical personnel. Through ongoing research and development, the Kartallar Door has become one of the leading companies in the door industry. Kartallar Door's production capacity is 500 door sets per day for a full shift. Due to the high quality of raw materials and production, the company has reached a high level of development and left its competitors behind, offering to the end customer the best quality at the best price. Following new technologies in industry, Kartallar Door has achieved the ability to manufacture, design, and implement almost all wooden structures for new buildings. Kartallar Door produces interior wooden doors, PVC doors, laminated and lacquered MDF doors, panel doors, door frames, and platband. The company continues to grow and strives to become a global brand, expanding its presence not only in Turkey, but also exporting products to neighbor countries. In the manufacture process, Kartallar Door pays attention to the climate conditions of the country of export and the door's usage style. In the last 3 years, demand for our doors has grown rapidly from different geographical regions, such as Europe, Asia and Africa, and export volume amounted for more than half of the total production, thereby ensuring a significant flow of foreign currency into the country. The company delivers products to end customers directly and without intermediaries. Also, taking advantage of cooperation with local companies that have good understanding of the economic conditions of their countries, Kartallar Door entered into a distribution agreement with 2 companies in Serbia, one in Oman and one in Kuwait. Kartallar Door provides an equal approach to all customers, whether it is an individual order or a large order for mass production, and offers the production of interior doors of any type to order.